Online games are fun, but too much playing can affect our studies, health, and responsibilities. In this video, we raise awareness about online games addiction and promote balance and responsible gaming. Let's make gaming a hobby, not a problem.
Ready na naman kayo? Palagi na kayo ready? Pasok!
Okay class, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 minuto para mag-start. Bukan na natin sa patuloy natin quiz dahil wala ng oras. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir! See you again!
The next day.
Good morning class.
Good morning, sir. It's nice to see you again.
Start our quiz. Stage paper with you. Yes, laman. Pencil. Pencil way. Pencil. Jim pangan. Zero. Hindi kind pero. Zero sir.
A few moments later.
Huwag kasi kayo po sa cellphone.
Sabi ni kayo minsan para hindi na-zero. Sabi tayo! Tara!
You are in control of your time, your choices, and your future. Don't let the screen limit your dreams. The real world is waiting for you. Be stronger than your distractions. Discipline today creates successful tomorrow. The best level to unlock is your full potential.